Welcome to the Baviaans Kloof. About 5 years ago we bought the Isuzu Bakkie for this purpose, to do trips like this, and somehow we never got to it. Life got so busy that we did everything but what we wanted to do, and I'm so glad we came. Look at this beautiful scenery. So today we're doing a 4x4 route. You can imagine how excited Bradley is. He's put his wheels to the test this weekend. And he's loving it. So I have Bradley here. Chloe. Hello.
Hello.
Jaden. I think it's probably about, I would say, definitely under 10 degrees Celsius. What would you say? The temperature is so cold.
It's below coldish.
Below coldish. But guess what? Guess what? Someone's wearing a short.
Oh yeah, die Bouda moet gaan weten. This bout must be shown, man. Don't play.
So guys, what was your favorite part of the weekend, Chloe?
My favorite part of the weekend was climbing the rocks.
Climbing the rocks.
Yeah.
Chloe actually climbed right up the mountain.
We get stuck here. Who's swimming at school?
We won't get stuck.
Me.
Oh, we're gonna have to swim ourselves.
Go fast. Splash the water. Splash it, baby, splash it.
Mommy, there is not a
Woo!
baby.
Not that kind of baby, Chloe. Baby that you're not supposed to know about. That kind of baby. CJ.
Sometimes he is like a baby. Jaden, what was your favorite part?
Playing with the dog.
Playing with the dog. What's the dog's name?
Blackie.
Blackie.
Oh, I see it.
Is it gone now?
Yup, it's gone.
It's there.
Oh,
And my favorite part is driving this sexy bakkie in the Baviaans through the river.
it's
Op die berg, af die berg, left, right and center. Geswish, geswish, geswish. Lekker. Ek dink ons nou, mos nie ry dat ek die song speel hier. Weet jy, ek gaan nou. Ons gaan met die
That's not funny. Skinny song, man. This was the most nerve-wracking 4 hours. How many hours have we done?
4.5 hours.
4.5 hours driving on the edge. On the edge, and the view
Daddy, can I take
is so stunning.
Alright, stay clear of those.
And it's right here in the Eastern Cape. It's how many? It's 270 kilometers from PE. Yeah. It's in our province. It's on our doorstep. If you haven't done this before, if you have a high, what do you call it? High road clearance vehicle.
A hoogtermen.
Yeah.
bakkie.
a bakkie, then you should do this. Definitely.